Good morning. How are you doing, my dear children? Welcome to another super cool, super awesome, absolutely brilliant session that we're going to be taking right now, right here. Today is a beautiful day because today the entire team of Vedantu, not only we Biotonic, but the entire team of Vedantu is sitting together and celebrating being a teacher. So please हमारे community page को unfollow मत करिए, in fact उसको follow करिए, and on the community page you will see live updates of TCon, the Teachers Conclave held by Vedantu, one of the largest get together of teachers from all over the globe. I am a part of this TCon and I will keep you updated कि कहाँ हम कुछ amazing चीजें कर रहे हैं, how to make teaching, how to make studies even better and more effective. So चलिए शुरू करते हैं आज की क्लास सेल यूनिट ऑफ ऑर्गेनेज. आई विल ऑल्सो टेल यू दैट जो नेक्स्ट क्लास शुरू होने वाली है ऑन एनिमल किंगडम, आपको पता है रोज 11:30 बजे क्लास होती है. आज की क्लास इज ओनली अ ब्यूटिफुल वीडियो लेक्चर. सो टुडेज नेक्स्ट क्लास इज अ ब्यूटिफुल वीडियो लेक्चर. प्लीज डोंट मिस द डोज ऑफ वी बायोटॉनिक्स नेक्स्ट क्लास. एंड शाम को भी गोना कम विद सी पार्ट ऑफ Vanikshunary. So see you at Vanikshunary 4:30. Do not miss the epic dose of Vanikshunary. With that, let's start today's super amazing, super cool class. Also, one more thing which has suddenly come to my mind. I hope आपने कल की क्लास में प्रीतेश की amazing acting देखी होगी. It was like just next level where he became various types of students to de-stress you on Friday. So I hope you've enjoyed that lecture also. Please in the comment section tell me whether you want some more Friday lectures or not. So let's start with cell unit of life, cell organelles. और मैं सोच रही हूँ कि कैसे आपके लिए पढ़ाई और amazing next level बनाई जाए. So with that, let's start this amazing class. Okay, come on. Now in today's class again I've just got beautiful videos for you. और ये इतने cool videos हैं कि इनको देख के आपके सारे concepts are going to be fun to next level and all your concepts are going to be like woo, absolutely bright. So let's start with prokaryotic cell. That's the mouse. I'm going to bring it to the main screen and then finally you will be able to see this video. So let me bring the mouse to the screen in 10, 9, 8, 7, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Start prokaryotic. Lipids, RER, proteins. So this is a RER. This is cytoskeleton made up of tubulin. Cytoskeleton. Every Saturday will only be a video class. So rough endoplasmic reticulum, transphase, they travel. From the cis to the trans, they travel. And in between, can you see the coiling? See the beautiful diagram. Can you see the coiling? मैंने आपके साथ wrapping of gift discuss किया था. They get coiled. Glycoprotein, lipid, cholesterol gets attached to them. Carbohydrate gets attached to them. And they become glycosylated or packed. Then there are vacuoles. In the plant cell, it's a big vacuole in the center. In the animal cell, छोटू सा प्यारा सा साइड में, there are 2-3 of them, small, छोटू प्यारा in the side. The lysosome is a big part made by the Golgi apparatus. It is digesting. See how it is digesting? क्योंकि इसके पास pectinase, hyaluronidase जैसी enzymes होती हैं. This is the mitochondria which we did in detail in yesterday's class. Look at this. चप्पू की तरह. Yes, everybody. Flagella for movement in bacteria. Propulsive action of the flagella. Flagella का microtubular arrangement होता है 9+2. Right? This is a group of flagella on one side. Sperm cells also have a flagella. See how they are moving in synchronicity together. Wow. Wasn't that amazing? Give me a yo on the screen now. Wasn't that amazing? So I think Saturdays I'm only going to keep it as video lectures. I'm only जो भी हमने हफ्ते भर में पढ़ा है, I'm going to make sure that I show you so many videos कि all that gets imprinted onto your mind. Right? तो चलिए आगे बढ़ते हैं. वैक्यूल, वन मोर वीडियो और यू विल बी सरप्राइज्ड जितने वीडियोस मैंने नेक्स्ट क्लास में बनाए हैं पूरी इम्यूनिटी के ऊपर, सिर्फ और सिर्फ और सिर्फ वीडियो है. यू विल बी लाइक नेक्स्ट लेवल सरप्राइज्ड. तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं विदाउट एनी फर्दर डिले द नेक्स्ट वीडियो ऑफ सेल. ओके, सो लेट्स स्टार्ट इट नाउ. ओके, आपको मेंटी क्विजेस की भी याद नहीं आएगी by looking at this amazing video. So this is a plant cell. It's a leaf. You can see venation. We can see reticulate venation happening. We are looking at one cell. They are packed very closely. Cell ka nucleus is on one side because we have a big vacuole. Vacuole ki membrane is called tonoplast. Again the same cell, annulus, nuclear pore, bilayered membrane. Right, so we have the nucleolus, which is the central part of the nucleus, the ribosomes, the helical DNA, and can you see the ribosomes coming out? That means nucleolus ही हमेशा ribosomes बनाता है और उसको आप देखो तो वो बाहर आ चुका है. राइबोसोम बाहर आकर अटैच हो जाता है साइटोप्लाज्म में पाए जाने वाले एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम से. इट्स कमिंग आउटसाइड, गेटिंग अटैच्ड टू द एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम. व्हेन इट अटैचेस टू एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम इट इज कॉल्ड रफ एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम. जहां पे नहीं होगा वी नो इट, स्मूथ एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम व्हिच मेक्स लिपिड्स, रफ एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम व्हिच मेक्स proteins. Protein बनकर they go to the Golgi body. The Golgi body is known as dictyosomes in plants. It modifies the proteins, attaches a carbohydrate molecule, attaches a cholesterol, attaches a lipid. The mitochondria, outer membrane smooth, inner membrane cristae, oxysomes, FOF1 particles helps you to make mitochondria. Colliker and Bender related to mitochondria मैंने आपको पढ़ा दिया है. Cell membrane, bilayer of lipid, I have taught you in detail. Can you see the cell to cell junctions? One cell connected to the other. So this ability of one cell to be connected to the other is called as plasmodesmata. Only found in a plant cell. And obviously chloroplast, which we are going to start from Monday's class. Is that clear, everybody? Yes? So this is all about the beautiful plant cell. Like I always tell you, कुछ ना कुछ special we are always doing for you. These video series are part of the special series. So chloroplast, as you can see, super cool. Can you see the grana thylakoid, the stacks? Chloroplast is semi-autonomous. कल की क्लास में हमने पढ़ा है. Chloroplast के पास stack grana thylakoid होता है, right? And they make ATP with the help of sun called photophosphorylation, which is something we'll study tomorrow. Vacuole full of water in the center, tonicity maintain करता है. The membrane of the vacuole is called as tonoplast. So this is about a healthy, happy plant cell. Wall membrane mitochondria, vacuole chloroplast, RER, SCR, nucleus, Golgi body and cytoplasm. So यहाँ खत्म होती है आज की बड़ी short, sweet, चुनुमुनु सी प्यारी सी क्लास where we've compiled all the organelles for you, and the important concepts of this particular topic are going to be covered in detail again in BioBombs. Right, so nucleus वगैरह में करवा चुकी हूँ, nuclear membrane, all of this in detail will be redone in BioBombs. Chromosome के types में we are going to be making a BioBombs. Plastids we've done in yesterday's class. Is that clear? So with that, my dear kids, let's end today's super cool, super awesome class because Saturday is a video class. I'm going to see you sharp at the regular time, that is 11:30 for videos of class 12. Till then, take care and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our amazing channel. Bye bye.